What's up, Grace?
Who's that?
Dude, that's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Haven't seen it yet.
No, I was talking about my hood. No, I was talking about the Jeep. Cha-ching. So today we are back at it with another van build episode. My boy Jake's house, we needed electricity today. So we are going to, after the last trip that I did to Flag over the weekend, I realized that I really wanted a table that came off the wall that I could cook on. That way I didn't have to cook right here in this area. So I'm gonna build a wall here, insulate that, and hopefully we'll have a good looking table. So last night after I got the table up, I went ahead and just paneled the rest of the walls with the cedar that I had left over from doing the inside. So it's pretty ugly, but that's fine because the table is going to be down half the time anyway unless I'm using it. So I think right now I'm going to try my luck at staining the wood. Try that guy, and we'll do this guy as well. First time staining, so we'll see how it goes. It turned out with one coat. I'm not really sure I like it, but I mean there's nothing I can do now, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep on putting on some coats so it gets darker, and maybe that'll change things up. Thanks for watching, guys. Yet again, another van build episode. Stay tuned. Summer's rolling around, and I got a bunch of cool trips on the way. Like and send me subscribe, son. Subscribe. Peace.